Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer Tether from KuCoin to Exmo in 2025. Tether, or USDT, is a stablecoin that's super popular for its stability, and transferring it between exchanges like KuCoin and Exmo is a common task for traders. Whether you're moving funds for trading opportunities or portfolio management, I'll walk you through this step by step, so you can do it safely and efficiently. First things first, make sure you have accounts on both KuCoin and Exmo, and that your KuCoin account has some USDT in it. Always double-check that you're using the latest versions of these platforms, as crypto interfaces can change. Step 1. Log into your KuCoin account using your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the Assets, or Wallet, section. This is where you'll see all your cryptocurrencies, including your Tether balance. Step 2. Find your USDT in the list and click on it. Look for the Withdraw or Transfer Out option. Before proceeding, verify the network you're using. USDT on KuCoin is typically on the TRC20 or ERC20 network, so match this with Exmo's requirements to avoid any issues. Step 3. Enter the withdrawal details. You'll need to input the Exmo wallet address. To get this, quickly log into your Exmo account, go to the Deposit section, select USDT, and copy the deposit address. Paste this into the KuCoin withdrawal form, along with the amount you want to transfer. Remember, crypto transfers are irreversible, so triple-check that address. Step 4. Review the transaction fees and estimated time. KuCoin might charge a small fee, and the transfer could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network congestion. Step 5. Hit Confirm, and complete any necessary 2FA, two-factor authentication, steps for security. Once submitted, you'll get a transaction ID. Save that for tracking. Finally, hop over to your Exmo account and check the Deposit or History section to confirm the arrival of your USDT. If everything goes smoothly, you're all set. That's it for this guide. Transferring crypto might seem intimidating, but with these steps, you're good to go. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more crypto tips. Stay safe out there and happy trading.